What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there are these two individuals that were recorded on camera who were assaulting a Metro police officer after they were told to move their car away from the road. So, the news that is coming in is that these guys have finally been captured. They finally uh, been arrested following the circulation of that viral video that occurred in East London. So they are facing charges of common assault, and they are going to be appearing in court very, very soon. Authorities are confirming, that investigations are ongoing and additional arrests are going to be made. So I'll introduce something. So these guys, they were like being overexcited over nothing, maybe, these things of the new year, being overly excited over nothing. And now they're going to be spending significant time in prison over something completely unnecessary. I'll catch you guys on the next one.